Put the cables all the way on top with handles. If you don't have a pad or something to pad your knees, I'm sorry, but we have a pad here. So you just get on your knees and get on the floor, or you put a pad down right in the center of the machine. Perfect. Grab one cable at a time. Go ahead, sit down on your knees. Sit back and down on your butt. Shoulders back and down. You're going to keep your palms facing that way. Wrists nice and straight. Shoulders back and down. Bring your elbows down and drive it into the side of your body. Keep your chest up. Breathe in on the way up. Blow out on the way down. And pop out that chest. Look how his face is nice and straight. He's not moving around. Make sure your elbows are coming directly in the center of your body. If they come forward, down, no good. You see? You can even see it. It's not working the back. Now, palms straight. Now watch they come back too much. No good. You can't even get a good range of motion. So come straight down the middle.